Good morning, second graders! We are going to start off with a greeting this morning. I'm going to tell you what it is, and she's going to explain it. We're going to do the rainbow greeting. Hello, neighbor! Hello, neighbor! You're going to wave your arm across and then set it down.
And you are going to find a person and
your family
and say, hello, neighbor.
And now we're on to the morning message. 4/1/20.
Good morning. Today is the first day of April.
Have a great day. Love, Regan and Hadley. For your seesaw post today, this is how it's going to work.
Wait, second graders. April Fools! They're not your teachers today. I'm your teacher today. They thought they could substitute for you, but it's April Fools! All right, I'm back. Here's what your job is today. Today for Seesaw, you are going to go in, and the task that's going to be posted looks just like this. It's a time activity. So we haven't talked a lot about time, but we spent a day or so before break talking about time just a little bit. So you're going to tap add response, then use the draw and draw the hands on the clocks to show three different times during your day. Add the T labels above the clock to tell what time it is. Use the T labels or draw a picture to show what you do at those times of the day. Type the quotations, caption, and explain what happens first, next, and last. How much time passes between your activity, and then hit the check to upload it. Now remember, there's lots of steps. You need to make sure that you get them all. Otherwise, Mrs. Johnson's going to send it back to you so that you can redo the mistakes that you made. Remember, doing your assignment is really important, and doing it right way and the full way is really important as well. So I'll just pull you in there really quick. Add response. Now that we're in there, here's our clocks. So, I forgot the directions. I'm going to go back up here again. Now I need to draw the hands on the clocks so 3 different times during my day. So I'm going to use my drawing tool, and I'm going to do 6 o'clock, and I'm going to write it. And I'm going to draw a picture down here saying that I work out. So I'm going to draw my dumbbells. Take your time and make sure you do your best work. Now, one more thing. Below our message today, I would love to hear what your April Fool's joke is that if you do one at your house today. So comment below. I would love to see the different things that families come up with. It's one of my favorite days of the year. And so I need to know what's happening so I still feel like I'm at school. Have a great day. I miss you. See you soon.
Have a great day, second graders.
Have a great day, second graders. Bye.
Your substitute teacher say hi too.